long. But that's for a whole nother video. I kind of just wanted to something that I'm really excited about, which is I didn't even open the box yet, but you can see what this is. It's the viral TikTok oil pulling kit. This all comes with. This is how it looks on the inside. Super cute. Super cute. And I'll take like a clipping of everything that it has in here. But it has some floss strips things. It has a pack of the toothbrushes as well. Oops. Oh my goodness. It also comes with some floss, more floss. Oh, that's pretty cool. It's a traveler size container. Okay, that's super cute. That's cute. Oops. Mouthwash. What is this? I want to say. Oh, this is the water flosser. I'm actually really excited about this. I heard very good reviews on like just water flossers in general, and I've been really excited and wanting to try one of these, so I'm excited about that. I'm also super excited about the tongue scrubber. I heard a lot of good things about this too. They also have, that is pretty interesting. I didn't know that it was coming in there. Okay, I think I lied because this is the water flosser. So I have no idea what's in here. I think it goes to the water, to the flosser. And then the famous Amos, the reason why we even bought this in the first place is this. I'm really excited to try this. I know my teeth may look a little white on camera, maybe because of the sunlight hitting it good, but I do need to start taking better health and better care of myself in general. And I've just been hearing a lot of good reviews on this. It not only helps whiten your teeth, but it actually helps your gums, help your teeth, like all types of stuff. And I needed to get it together in here. But I'm very excited to use it and go on, just add it kind of to my nightly routine. I also do want to try some more, one more purchase that I'm kind of excited about. So stay tuned for that. Bye guys. Okay guys, so I know you haven't seen me since I did the unboxing video, but I literally just did skincare. I have a pimple right here, have no idea. But I wanted to just go ahead and do a first impression of the okay, first we're going to unbox the water diffuser thing, and then I'll come back. So, another toothbrush, which means I have a whole pack, plus another one, which is really cool. It says, shake well, place 10 to 15 milliliters in your mouth, swish between teeth for at least 2 minutes. Try to work up to 10 per use. Spit out, rinse, like I'm trying to have memories. So back on. So 2 minutes. So what time is it? Anyway, 8:32. I should be done by 8:40. Okay guys, so I did the 15 minutes. I'm about to go ahead and try this water scraper. This water flosser. I'm not gonna lie, I'm a little nervous. Almost because I accidentally turned it on and it like squirted all in my eyes. That was actually pretty amazing. Like, hold on. That is like amazing. So Today is day 1 of taking care of ourselves. It's all about me, my body, my health, my mindset. This year, like, I just truly wanted to be more of me, more of taking care of myself, my health. Like, my kids, I already know they are good, but now it's time to start loving me and get back into me. And yeah, so stay on my journey with me and stay tuned, guys. Catch me in my next video. Bye. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe. We are back. We're going to be consistent. We're going to be steady. I want to make memories for my kids, for them to look back on of videos of us and trips that we did and events that we did. Like, I want them to be able to look back and watch us. So thank you, guys. Stay tuned.